visit the grandparents at the cabin. So it is, what time is it? 11:13, and we are about, what would you say, 1/3 of the way there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got to start this morning. We got our Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. So tasty. Is there anything else you want to add, Leslie?
Why don't we let them come along for the ride and see what we do?
Let's do it. Leslie doesn't know how to vlog, so I have to take over. Okay, so we're taking a quick stop to let someone use the bathroom, do a driver change. So we're just quick break and we'll be back on the road. Sound like plan?
Sounds like a plan.
Cool.
Have you let the camera capture your essence powder?
I don't know. Oh, we're going. Oh! $4.75. Do we have 75? Just give me $1.
Yeah, hold on. Let me grab the other $1. Okay.
That's going to be out of $5. Here's your receipt for $4.75. 25 cents will make $5.
Thank you.
Here. Okay. Back on the road again.
On the road again. On the road again. See, I got a song for everything and a need for more coffee. That's why I'm so talkative,
Because you're drinking a large coffee. You normally
a large
don't.
Dunkin' Donuts.
You normally don't drink that much coffee.
As soon as the girls arrived, Pop put him straight to work, helping build his cabin. Here you can see he's got electrical cords hooked up to the car battery, and he's using that to power the winch as he hoists the logs into place. Let's see how he does it.
Just won't swing to me. Pull down on it.
It's got to swing down so it can meet up with the other end, Carter, is what he's...
I know.
Yeah, I know.
Just
Push it to me. Are you filming?
I'm filming. I'll film this one and then I'll help you with the next one.
Do you want me to hang on this end?
Yeah. Rest of this manpower. I bet you I don't have enough slack off that. Barely got the bar on there.
So, what's with that spike sticking out the end of the other wood?
Come look on the end of this one. See this hole?
What?
The hole here?
Yeah?
The spike on that goes in this hole.
Alright.
Carter? Yeah. Roll it in. Roll it. Yep.
You may remember from the previous log cabin build videos, my dad was using a Husqvarna Rancher. Well, he plumb wore the dog out of it. It didn't have any hunt left. So for his birthday, me and my brother chipped in together and helped him get this brand new Stihl chainsaw. It's a little bit smaller than the Rancher, but it's got plenty of bite. As you can see, it's definitely getting the job done on the log cabin expansion, and I'm sure my dad's appreciating the lighter weight of the Stihl chainsaw.
This is not to be videoed.
Sure it is.
I'm gonna put more on black.
Okay. How do I go reverse?
Right there.
What?
Yeah, right where your finger was. Push it back.
I can't feel nothing. There we go.
Alright, we're done.
For the day?
Yep. Give me my tools.
Hey everyone, we finally made it out to the farm after our long trip driving up here. Got a couple snacks along the way. And so this is the new section of the log cabin. As you can see to that's my left. That's the section of the cabin that's already been completed. Now his plans for this area, this is where the trailer was parked. He's trying to make it into his master bedroom and guest bedroom area. So hopefully, he's hoping by the end of June, did you say? Yeah, end of June that this area be completed so that he can host some visitors. Now, take a walk with me over to the side. So right now, as you can see, it's about 7-8 logs high, which is probably about 6 feet because I'm 5'6", so roughly 6 feet. And he's been trying to put up about 1 row a day all the way around. Now Grandy fell and hurt herself about 2 weeks ago, so he hasn't been able to help as much. So today we came out and kind of helped him put on a few extra logs. So
Let's walk around back.
come on everybody. Now we've had a little bit of trouble today with sinking, as you can see. Kind of rough.
That's why we got the muck boots.
Yeah, brought the boots to Granite Pops. Now,
Whoa!
see, don't follow. This is kind of the back of the bathroom. He's got kind of a septic pipe put in here, roughly. Not quite finished with that, I hope, but
It works.
over here, Pop has temporarily built a carport / tool shed. Now all of his tools were down there in the shed way far, about 300 feet, would you say, from the
I
house.
think
And
that's
he
a bit
said
longer than a football
if
field.
he's working out here every day, he doesn't want to have to walk all the way down there and all the way back. So he built this, and cars parked there, you know, keeps his tools. Pretty handy little shed. So that tiny little trailer over there is where they'd have to cook all their food and prepare the meals, wash the dishes, use the bathroom, all that stuff. But now they have running water in the cabin, and they've got the propane tank moved over. Everything's good to go. So we'll show you the inside in just a second. So we're out here on the back porch, and don't forget to kick off your boots before you go inside, because you don't want to track in all that mud from where it's been raining. So yeah, take off our work boots, and we'll head on inside. All right, come on in. So I am in the new addition. This is like kind of their closet right now, but eventually it will be their laundry room. And if you follow me in here, this is their newly completed bathroom. So over to my left, shower, toilet, sink, you know, standard bathroom stuff. But it does look pretty nice in here. I am impressed. Are you impressed, Leslie?
I'm very impressed.
Pop has worked so hard on this. So
I love the counter.
yeah, we got running water. I washed my hands actually a little bit because I've been working. And we got the heater going right now because it's a little bit chilly outside today, but not bad. All right, to the kitchen, Leslie. Take me away. Now in here, we have our fully completed kitchen. I'm doing the Vanna hands. You know, sink, 2 sections, fridge, and stove. Where did you say you got this stove, Brandy?
One of our friends in California gave it to us.
Yeah, it fits right into the cabinet decor, don't you think?
Yes, it does.
Yep, and we got a fridge.
Well, we had such a great time at the farm this weekend at the old log cabin, but it's time for us to head back to Missouri.
If you hit a tree, you have to pay for damages to the cabin and to your car.
Why would I have to pay damages to the cabin if I hit a tree?
Because that log could have been used to build the cabin.
Not if it's like a really crookedy tree. There's a cow in the road.
With a baby on it.
Yep.
We gotta go slow by the cows. Ain't no telling what they gonna do.
They gonna move.
Roadblock. Everyone has to pay $1,500 for damages to a cow, but this guy, you just gotta go slow. That's a big bull.
That was a pretty big bull.
Watch out, cows. Here I come.
Don't scare him onto the cattle guard.
I'm literally going super slow. Your car's about to die because I'm going so slow.
And give it a little bit of gas.
I can't give it a little gas because there's a little cow in front of me.
Beep the horn.
I'm not gonna beat the horn. I'm already
Okay.
startled as it is.
They're running away.
Well, except for this little one. He's kind of
Okay,
stupid.
you can give it gas now. They're out of your way.
Well, I was just being careful.
Video of the cabin update. All logs up. We need to trim the top out. Add tin. Roof on the front, both ends, and the back. I will add one more log on top of those on the back.